Hello, top dressing. Have you all wondered what top dressing is? It is definitely not the mix used for leveling. Top dressing means the top layer, the surface dressing. To explain it this way, in other words, it's the superficial layer that is placed over the seeds to cover them and help them in the germination process. The role of top dressing is to maintain moisture. That's why, as a top dressing, I absolutely never recommend using 100% sand. Yes, you can use sand, but only in combination with peat or topsoil. Well, today I'm going to show you how I make my own top dressing and what it consists of. Because the spring top dressing is different from the autumn one. In spring, I never use a top dressing that's very rich in sand because the heatwave period follows in May and June. In May and June, the heatwave period is coming, so I use a top dressing with more peat because peat retains water better and prevents dry spots. In the autumn, I use more sand because high temperatures are no longer expected. The soil will actually need less moisture now, mainly because it is better preserved, the days are getting shorter, and the extra sand that has been added will gradually work its way into the soil, improving its structure. Now I am going to show you the spring top dressing mix that I use. For this mixture, I will be using 1 part of 0.4mm washed sand, which is a very fine and clean type of sand, and I will combine that with 3 parts of high-quality lawn substrate, specially formulated for healthy grass growth. In the autumn, however, I use the same products but in a different ratio, 2 parts sand and 2 parts peat. I mix these together. For those with small yards, you can obviously use a shovel, or I'll show you how I do it in this container. For large areas, you can rent a concrete mixer because it's relatively affordable and very efficient. For the thickness of the top dressing, I recommend somewhere between 3 to 5 liters per square meter. This means a 3 to 5 millimeter layer that will cover the seeds. And now we're going to make the autumn mix with 2 parts peat and 2 parts sand. This is the top dressing. 2 parts sand, 2 parts peat or lawn substrate. As you can see, it's much sandier compared to the spring one. This is how I make my top dressing. I hope this helps you as well to make a proper top dressing when sowing or overseeding your lawn.